Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon ads to sell books. First, you need to understand the various ad types Amazon offers, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands. Next, identify your ideal reader to target your campaigns effectively. Finally, establish a realistic budget and a smart bidding strategy to ensure your ads reach the right people without overspending. This foundational knowledge is crucial for launching successful book promotion efforts on the platform. Amazon offers 3 primary ad types to help authors. Sponsored products promote individual books directly to shoppers browsing similar titles or categories. Sponsored brands allow you to showcase your author brand and up to 3 books, appearing prominently in search results. Lastly, lock screen ads reach readers on Kindle devices and Fire tablets, offering a unique way to capture attention. Each type serves a distinct purpose, so choose the one that best aligns with your marketing goals. Setting up your campaign involves a few key steps. Begin by thoroughly researching relevant keywords that potential readers might use to find books like yours. Next, continuously monitor your campaign performance, checking metrics at least 3 times a week. Based on this data, optimize your bids and refine your ad copy to improve your click-through rates and overall ad effectiveness. Small, consistent adjustments can lead to significant improvements over time. Measuring the success of your Amazon ad campaigns is vital. Track key metrics such as ACOs or advertising cost of sales to understand your return on investment. Analyze your sales data to see which ads are driving the most purchases. Once you identify successful campaigns, consider scaling them by increasing your budget or expanding your targeting to reach an even wider audience. This iterative process helps maximize your book sales.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.